Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up Google Authenticator on Binance. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open up the Binance application on your mobile device and simply log in with your account. It's mandatory that your Binance account be verified to carry out transfer or account linking. After logging in, tap on the Binance icon located at the top left corner to open up the Binance menu. Then access the top profile banner to access some accessibility settings of your account. Now tap on the Security tab and a number of options will appear in front of you. Inside Security Settings, access Authentication app, then simply tap on Enable and all of the required steps will be displayed. On the first step, either you can use the QR code to scan and link it, or you can just copy the code for linking purpose. After that, open up the Google Authenticator app and check if it is updated. Now, make sure to sign into your account and then tap on the plus icon at bottom right corner. After that, select Use Key Code and then paste the 16-digit code you just copied. After that, copy and paste the newly generated authenticator code inside the Binance to link it completely. So that's basically how you can set up Google Authenticator on Binance. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.